Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Shares in Tokyo gained as the Bank of Japan voted to keep current monetary policy steady on Wednesday, but one board member expressed dissent. The Nikkei 225 rose 0.65%, while the Shanghai Composite was up 0.12%. US stocks were lower after the close on Tuesday, as losses in the utilities, telecoms and consumer services sector led shares lower. At the close in New York, the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 0.03%, while the S&P 500 index lost 0.21%. The Bank of Japan on Wednesday decided by an 8-to-1 vote to leave the bank's policy target unchanged, while board member Takahide Kiuchi, who had been opposed to the October 31st easing, called for an even lower cumulative target than the one before the last easing. US crude oil surged for a second day to end high on Tuesday, ahead of the weekly official oil inventory report from the Energy Information Administration, with investors expecting a decline in supplies. Crude oil futures for May delivery, the most actively traded contract, jumped $1.84 or 3.5% to settle at $53.98 a barrel on the New York Mercantile Exchange Tuesday. This is the highest level oil prices have touched in 2015. In the currency market, the Australian dollar is lower against the US dollar on Wednesday, after earlier touching a one-week high on the back of the RBA's decision to keep the cash rate unchanged. In early trades, the local unit was trading at $0.7635, down from Tuesday's close of $0.7693. Europe's budding economic rebound is in focus again today, with a monthly update on new numbers on retail sales for the Eurozone. Eurozone retail sales 9 GMT. Retail spending is picking up in Europe according to the Eurostat's official data. The improvement in year-over-year consumption is particularly striking. Inflation-adjusted retail sales increased a solid 3.7% in January compared with the year-earlier level. In monthly terms, spending jumped 1.1%, the most in almost 2 years. Sharply lower energy costs and a bout of deflation are part of the mix for calculating inflation-adjusted changes. Nonetheless, the improvement is one more set of the numbers that implied that the rebound in economic activity is underway. It was the latest market news provided by IPFX. Goodbye.